Hello, it's Kai from SWOOP. Just wanted to give you a quick overview of our new sentiment analysis widget that we currently have in beta with a small number of customers. The sentiment analysis widget is available on all of the tabs apart from personal, and I'm just going to show you what it will look like. So I'm just scrolling past. It sits here at the bottom of the screen, and there you can see it now here over on the left hand side. So what does this thing actually do? Well, it analyzes all the text that are in a whole thread, and then it gives us two scores. The first one is the one you're seeing with the little heart over here. It's the emotion score, and it tells us how much emotion have we detected in the words. That can either be positive or negative sentiment. It just gives us like a sense of just how much. There will be some posts that haven't got that much. You can see how much it varies here. So the first one we're looking at has got 55% of the sentences we've detected emotion in, but the other 45% are neutral. Now, for those that then had emotion in them, we can now see the split between positive and negative sentiment. So this one is very much a positive with a little bit of negative in it. We can also see it's a pretty deep thread. There are 37 replies amongst 5 people. So let's dive into this in a little bit more detail and see, well, what is it actually it looks like within this thread. So I'm just clicking on the message preview here, and up on the screen comes a whole outline that tells us the whole thread. So what you're seeing over on the left hand side, all those little bars are sentences. And you can see they have different colors. Some of them are bright green, some of them are gray, some of them are a little duller green, and it all represents a sentence. It even represents the length of the sentence in characters. So we can see here's the original post. This is something about a joint webinar. And then you can see there's another reply that's neutral, another one that's got some sentences in it that are a mix of green and neutral. And as we scroll down, you can really get a sense of this is a very sort of an upbeat post. And then there was a few sort of bits of red comments that are starting to appear. And then now we can start to see one down here that's got a bit more negative sentiment detected in it. So why don't we try and click for that on this one just for fun. So I'm clicking on that one, and you can see that's now highlighted here in yellow in the main pane. And we can very quickly focus in and say, well, what was it that detected that had this bit of negative sentiment in it? And it's really words like distraction. You know, it could be words like issue, problem, sad, unhappy, or all those words that are associated with negative sentiment. And it highlights that. As you can see, the font color changes over on the right hand side, so it allows you very quickly to explore in quite a lot of detail the thread, where it gets negative. So you can imagine one that starts really positive like this one. This one really stays, mostly positive. But you can see in some organizations we've seen where it starts really positive and then it goes quite negative and then it gets upbeat again. So you can sort of follow, if you like, the whole if you like, temperature of the thread throughout its life. So we're pretty excited about what this can be used for in organizations, allowing community managers for whom this widget will be, at least initially, will only be available for community managers, but allow them to better get a sense of what is it that people are talking about. Do we need to intervene? Are some of these posts with negative sentiment, is it something that contravenes our usage policy, or is it just people having a vibrant discussion? We think they should absolutely be allowed to do that. But at least it allows community managers to quickly get a sense of it, see what are the posts, what are the things people are talking about that has this sort of sentiment distribution in it.